The Nexus at Selena's building is a residential and commercial complex of 11 stories. The Nexus building has 88 residential apartments and 14 commercial lots. So we have common property lighting in the car parks as we are now, the fire stairs, all of the residential and commercial lobbies, as well as the arcade and the under awning at the front of the building. Yes, there's different needs throughout the building. The necessity to have emergency lighting in the car park where we are now, as well as the fire stairs, meant a certain certification had to be applied to those lights, whereas the needs of the lighting in the residential lobbies and commercial lobbies was one where it needs to be cool daylight so that normal business can be conducted throughout the day. We looked at many options, everything from replacing our existing lighting with fluoros, with compact fluoros, with changing our lighting in the car parks to LED tubes, etc., etc. We ended up choosing the LED with microwave motion detector sensors simply because of the huge reduction we would get in our electricity consumption. As a result of installing the LED style lighting with microwave motion detectors, we've dropped our electricity bill by 95% for common property lighting in the car park and the fire stairs, which in turn has brought down the total electricity consumption in the building by 25%, and we're still using our lifts, motors, pumps, etc. that we normally have. And the full payback period on installing the microwave sensor lights is under 2 years. Yes, there's certainly rebates involved for the car parks, and as we were doing the project it also became available for the fire stairs. So we're in the middle of that process right now, and we expect that of our total expenditure we'll get something back like 25% of our cost. Some of the lighting initiatives we did at this level was at the front street arcade, where our arcade lights were on 24 hours a day. The immediate thing we did was to install a photoelectric cell so that, guess what, at night they go on and in the daytime they go off. An instant saving and a payback period immediate. In the residential lobby where we are, we also had 55 watt standard fittings that are probably in every Strata building in Sydney. We retrofitted those with an electrician simply by removing the fluorescent lights that were in them, removing the ballast and the transformer, and retrofitting those with a compact fluoro light with an inbuilt ballast. Immediately we dropped from 55 watts per fitting to 11 watts per fitting, but the add-on effect was not only just a reduction in electricity consumption, but also the heat in the foyer. All of a sudden the foyer was much cooler and more comfortable for our residents. Certainly here in our foyer we have taken out the vertical fluoro lights that you see on the wall behind me and replaced those with LED strips. That was once again a no-brainer because the cost to replace the fluoro light itself was greater than the cost to buy the fluorescent light. Now our LED strips will be in situ for approximately 3 years and we won't have to touch them at all.